Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 23. The Supreme Purusha in this body is also called the spectator, the permitter, the supporter, the enjoyer, the great Lord, and the Supreme Self.
उपद्रष्टानुमन्ता च भर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तो देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः.
Chapter 13, Shloka 23. The Lord continues to teach us directly what that saving knowledge is. We have the pure spirit and the knower of the field. We have the moon in the sky and the reflected moon in the bucket. The reflected moon is always conditioned by the reflecting medium, while the moon in the sky is never contaminated by the changes in the reflecting surface. It is completely independent of all conditions. The knower of the field is knowledge or consciousness conditioned by the field. So, there is a knowledge totally unconditioned which appears conditioned when it plays in the realm of conditionings. In this body, there are two Purushas. The lower Purusha, which is conditioned by the field, and the higher Purusha, the pure consciousness, which is unconditioned by the field. The Supreme Self is indicated in terms of what it looks like in its silent manifestations. When the individual is completely deluded, the infinite expresses as though it is an onlooker. When proper actions are undertaken by an individual in a calm mood, not forgetful of the self, the infinite expresses as permitter. When proper actions are performed with full consciousness of the self and surrender to the Lord is the fulfiller. When, with entire dedication unto Him, the individual is in his eternal conscious nature, it seems to be the enjoyer. In fact, the great Ishvara, the Lord of Lords, is the higher self in this very same body. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.